people, it's Lucas here, welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, we're going to have a look at another little project that we got going on. So, we're working with some new builders this time. I have to say, they're doing a good job, I like it, very organised. So we've got the bathrooms, 3 bathrooms to do, a kitchen, the whole boiler system, an unvented hot water cylinder. So yeah, a whole lot of good juicy stuff. We're on the way to the site now. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys around. Alright guys, so on this job we're fitting a Megaflo. Boiler's going up here, that's the hole for the flue. We've got all the pipes coming down and they're going to be going across to this area here where we're going to have all the zone valves and all the controls. Cylinders going here. This is our line for the cupboard, which is going here. Got a floor and return from the loft, floor and return from the first floor. And then these are all the hot and colds from the bathroom, the loft bathroom and the ensuite. We're gonna get them all coming down, joining, connecting up over here with lever valves. And yeah, this is gonna be the hub to control all your plumbing. And then we've got our mains, which we're gonna take into the other side of this wall, which is under the stairs. Floor and returns are all gonna come here. I've actually started drilling. I'm gonna go through there to the underfloor manifold, which is on the other side of this wall under the stairs as well, along with a water softener. So a few things. 3, 2, 1. So this is what we're doing at the moment. We're in the utility room and this is where everything's happening basically. So we've got the cylinder, the boiler over here. So yeah, if we have a look, start at the boiler. Got a flow and return, gas in the middle, PRV. It's getting connected to the discharge for the cylinder and we're gonna have that all going out. Vaillant spiral tech filter. On the return, flow and return. Coming across, going round. over to this area here. So here we've got our return and here we've got our flow. So as you can see, we're coming across bypass, Honeywell bypass. We've got the Honeywell 2-port valve for the cylinder. And then over here, we need to do the wiring still, but you can see we've got another 4 zone valves, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. So we've got loft, first floor, ground floor, underfloor heating. So in total 5 zones in this place. We're gonna have a couple Nest thermostat receivers as well to control these 2 ports. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of pipe work. We've got all our lever valves here as well. So yeah, all bathrooms, you can individually isolate them. You've got our mains coming in from the other side. As you can see, it goes up, splits to go to all the bathrooms, comes down, feed the cylinder. We tee off here again. We go down into the floor to the kitchen area and then over to the bathroom over there as well. So yeah, there's a lot going on. And on the other side of the wall, as we can see, we've got the pipe work coming in. We've got a floor and return for the downstairs central heating circuit and floor and return for the underfloor heating circuit here. This is where the mains water is going to come in and connect onto. Here we're going to tee off hard water down to the kitchen area. And here we've got 2 valves for the water softener to connect onto and come back with a built-in bypass just in case you want hard water throughout for any reason. But yeah, that goes down, goes back in, connects to the main water on the other side of the wall. Over here, the manifold, 4 circuits, no actuators, all getting used as 1 zone with 1 Nest thermostat. Nice and simple. Alright, the boiler is done. Flue is on. We've had to put a flue extension to get it through, but it's all good. Gas pipe is completed. And that's all going outside now, which is good. Just the condense to do once the drain's done. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. And catch you on the next one.